This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling essentials: 9V battery, toggle switch, speaker or piezo, and insulated copper wire. You wind the search coil now, 30 to 60 tight turns, 8 to 12 centimeter diameter. This creates the inductive sensor that reacts to metal. Once done, mount the coil on a non-metal shaft and secure it with epoxy or zip ties so it won't flex. Make sure coil leads are long enough to reach the control box. Attach a labeled pair for later soldering, and keep the workspace organized. Now you build the heart, an oscillator and a detection stage. Use an NE 555 timer or microcontroller to drive an LC tank where your coil functions as the inductor. Changes in inductance alter frequency or amplitude. Once done, route the oscillator into a comparator or op-amp to translate those changes into an audio signal, adding a variable resistor to adjust sensitivity. Mount components in a small plastic enclosure. Solder battery clip, switch, and speaker. Make sure grounds are common and connections are insulated for reliable operation. Finish by calibrating and testing. You power up and start with sensitivity low, then sweep the coil over known metal targets to observe audio or pitch changes. This tells you baseline behavior. Make incremental adjustments to sensitivity and threshold, and ensure the coil and control box are properly grounded and isolated. Move components if the oscillator becomes unstable. If you get no response, check battery voltage, solder joints, coil continuity with a multimeter, and confirm the oscillator frequency is within expected range before retesting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.